Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Tim with Sharper Image Auto Detailing and Ceramic Coating. And look at this Jeep Wrangler's trunk compartment area filled with pet hair. Yes, lots of it. So this took me about 45 minutes to an hour and a half to get rid of the majority of the pet hair that I could before we shampooed. Now, this is not going to be perfect by no means. With this amount of pet hair, you just can't get it 100% perfect, but the customer was 100% happy with the work. We were able to get a lot of it out. If you're in our area and you've got a vehicle that's got a lot of pet hair, pets ride with you quite often, and you're looking for someone to maintain it, give me a call or check me out at sharperimageauto.com. Would love to help you any way that I can. For the tools that I'm using here in this video, of course, my vacuum, my rigid vacuum, and then also this is a pet hair, it's called the woolly, I'm not really sure what you call it. It's got like a rubber ends on it, and so it's a great tool to have. But anyhow, thank you guys for checking out this video. If you could, please like and share this video with your other friends, and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a great day.